Let us begin lesson 3.2, page 145, compare orders and integers. Compare and order integers. Compare and order integers, page 145. Girls who have come here now, please look at it. Girls who have come now, please look on the screen.
Okay.
Page 145. On one play, a football game, the ball changed -7 yards. Where is -7? Is it to the left or to the right? Where is -7? When you compare to -4, it is to the left of -7, right? When you compare to -4, it's left of -7. So I'll write left. So line -7 is less than. Now you will learn, girls. Normally, if I ask you 4 and 7, which one is greater? Normally, if I ask 4 and 7, which one is greater?
7 is greater.
7.
7 is.
But if you ask
negative
4 or
and
-7, it's -4.
Yes. Why? Because see, it is more down. It is more down. -7 is after -4. That's why -7, -4 is greater and then -7. Do you understand why? Because -4 is first and then comes -7 in the number line. Okay? You just put a point here and a point here and you write like this. It's less than. So you all agree that -7 is less than -4, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Finish?
Yeah. Yep.
Finished, girls, everyone? Those who came now, page 145. Done, girls?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will quickly try this. There is nothing. Again, I'm saying we can just finish this lesson in 10 minutes. It's so simple. Positive 5 is to the right side. Do you agree to this? It's the right side when you compare to -9. So 5 is greater than -9. It is greater than, because it is to the right, it is great. If it's to the left, it is less. Now -2 and 0, you have to compare -2 and 0. 0 is to the, or -2 is to the left of 0. It's to the left of the 0. So that's why it is less than.
Miss Winter.
I'm sorry, I did not. Can you write it by your own or do you want me to write it?
Yeah, it's okay. Can we?
It's a simple one, okay? Girls, this page, just put a cross mark.
Page 164.
Or just quickly put the marks.
Like, are we gonna do it or put a cross mark?
That's what I'm thinking. Right now, leave it and go to next page. If we get time, we'll get back to it. Now this one, compare -8 and +6. Of course, +6 is greater. -8 is to the left of 6, so it is greater than. It is less than 6. It's less than 6. And you know here this is greater. Do you want me to help you with this, or is it okay if I'm writing this way faster? From least to greatest. Lamar, can you tell me which one is the least here?
The least one is -7.
-7,
Negative
then
seven.
-3,
Negative
positive
4.
4. Okay, next. Feroz, tell me which one is here least.
Miss,
-1.
can I do it?
0, 3. Okay, Amal, 7th one.
-9.
-9.
-5.
Very good,
minus
Amal. These are very simple. Come on, Maria. Greatest to least.
Yes.
Greatest to least here, Maria.
Okay. Greatest to least. First 2. And then -4.
-1. Greatest.
Negative.
Hala.
Yes, miss.
Greatest to least.
10, then 5, then 0.
Next. Dana. Greatest. Which one is greatest?
-3, -4, -5.
Very good. Okay. Jenna.
Yes.
Next, Jenna. Least to greatest.
1.
1 is least or -1 is least? -1 is least. And then 1. Okay. Who else is there today and I did not call out their names? Juri Siraj.
Miss, can I do number?
Yes, Juri. Least to greatest. Which one is the least?
Is it 6?
Say -6. But you know, the bigger number in the negative sign is the smaller one. So -12. And then next,
I'm confused now.
Juri Siraj, it says least to greatest. The less number, the smallest one, least means small to big. Which is the smallest one here?
Is it 30?
1 second, yes, Juri. The smallest to big. So which is small here? -6 or -12 or 30? Which one is the smallest one? First thing, Juri Siraj, you must know that negative numbers are small when you compare to positive. In negative, the bigger number is small, okay?
Okay.
So you get -12,
So is it
-6 and 30, okay?
Okay.
Do the 13th ones, Juri.
Okay, so
Which one is the
first
smallest one?
Is it 20?
Excellent. Don't say
Mine?
20 to me. If you say 20, it means it is wrong. You have to say -20, okay?
Okay.
And then
Then is it 15?
now
Or
see,
no, it's
Yes.
-9.
-9 because a positive number is always bigger than negative number, okay?
Okay.
Remember this way. Everyone, did you all finish writing?
No.
Yalla, do it fast.
Miss, I already did 14, 15, and 16.
I did the whole page.
Alhamdulillah.
Miss Yami, so I did the whole page.
Very good.
I finished.
Judy Ala. Judy Ala. Jude Fahad. Jude Fahad, do 14 with me, yalla. From greatest to which one is greatest here, Jude Fahad?
14.
Next.
40 minus 20.
Minus what?
14.
Minus 13 is good, right? This minus 14, okay? Yalla Tala.
Miss, can I do it?
Last one, Amal. Tala.
Yes, miss.
Yalla. Which one is greatest?
20, then 30, then 40.
20.
Minus 20, minus 30, and minus 40.
Exactly how the question is. Yes, Amal.
9 minus 30, 37, 0.
No. First, in the middle, you have 0 and then go to negative 1, okay?
Yeah.
0 is always greater than the positive number, negative number. They are asking you to compare minus 131 feet and just write minus 131 first. It is smaller to minus 92 feet, okay? This lesson is over, girls. We will not do the previous page. I will revise with you, okay?
Okay.
Go to the last page. Finish, girls, writing?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go to the last page. Let us quickly do this one. Jasmine recorded 3 cities. A is minus 6. Okay, where is minus 6? Positive 6. B is negative 4. And C is 2. Okay. Write a letter C. This is A. This is C. And this is B. That's it.
Miss, I finished.
Finished? Okay, let us now revise your quiz. Now, do you all know the lessons coming for the quiz? Do you know the lessons which are there for the quiz?
Miss, I still didn't write
I'll
because I
check
went to
now.
the bathroom.
No problem. You can complete it by your own. They're very simple.
Compare and order, simplify factors.
Very good. I will first explain compare and then we'll go to simplify, okay? That is 2.2 and 2.4. 2.2 and 2.4. Now you can see this on the screen, right? Directly, girls, whichever lesson I'm doing, go to this first, okay? Come to on your own. Come to on your own, everyone. Now, when you have like this question, go to the fraction first and try to solve the fraction.
Miss Beach, what? Page
1 minute.
77.
It is 77. When you have such question, just solve the fraction first. If I solve the fraction, I got 0.8. How do you get 0.8? I will show you. You write 4 in the denominator, here and here. And girls, remember, half is 0.5. Always remember. This you have to memorize for tomorrow. And then 3/4 is 0.75. Okay?
Miss, our page of 77 is not like yours. Oh, wait, I just found.
Now is it okay? 77?
Yeah.
Is it same?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I didn't look down. I just looked up.
Okay, now here. How will you do this? You put a point and you put a 0 because it's less. And then 5 times 8 is 40. What do you get? You get 0.8. So you have 0.6, you have 0.8, you have 0.75. Least means which is the smallest one? 6, and then 7, and then 8. Isn't it easy? Now see half. Girls, half, you know it is 0.5, right? You have to solve two things. You have to solve two things here. When you solve this, you get 5 times 4, 20, and then you have 0.5, you have 0.4. How do you do this? Put a point, put a 0 and check. 15 times 4 is 60, I think so. Again a 0, 15 times maybe 8. It becomes big. 15 times 7, almost like 0.47. But 0.47 will be bigger. So 0.5, then 7 over 15, and then half. Least means the less is 0.4, then comes 0.47, and then comes 0.5. Are you able to understand, girls, or no?
Yeah.
Lamar, how about you?
Miss, I can do this by myself. Yesterday, I took it with my cousin.
Okay, listen to me here. 4 over 12. How do you do this? You put 4 here and 12 here. Then put a point and 0. 12 times 3, 36. You have something like 0.3. Now tell me, 0.3 is bigger or 0.8? Of course, 0.8. Now it's 1 over 4. What is 1 over 4? It is 0.25. You have to memorize it. Which one is bigger, Lamar? 2 or 2.5? You have to memorize that half is always 0.5. Now 1 over 20. How do you do 1 over 20? Point 0. Again a 0 and a 0. 25 is 100. It's 0.05. 0.06. Of course, 0.06 is greater. Can I explain you this again, girls? How did I get 0.05? Judy Siraj, look here. The 1 is greater than, 1 is less to 20. I put a point, I put a 0. Still 10 is less than, so I put a 0 again and a 0 here. So I have 20 times 5 is 100. Okay? That's why you have 0.05. Mixed numbers, I will try not to give you, girls, for tomorrow. Now going to next lesson, that is simplify fraction. Do you want me to do more questions on this lesson? Girls, do you want me to do more questions on this lesson, or shall I go to simplify?
No.
More questions. Simplify.
Even simplify, I did with you in the Kahoot. Go to this page again. Yes. This is where it is important. What did I teach you? First of all, ask yourself. Both of them, they come in which timetable? Ask yourself. 3 and 9, it comes in the timetable of 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. You ask yourself, 3 times 1 is 3. Yes. So your answer is 5 over 15.
Miss, can we play Kahoot after this?
We don't have much of time. 2 and 10. 2 times 1. 3 times 1, 3 times 3. Anyone has questions in this?
No.
Everyone, will you practice and come tomorrow?
Yes.
Yes.
3 times 1, 3 times 2. You have 1 over 8 because you multiply the denominator and the numerator. 7 and 2 times 1 and 2 times 5. 7 and 15. 2 times 1 and 2 times 4. 5 ones and 5 ones. Five times 1 and 5 times 2. Left is like this.
Miss, can we revise page
Miss Paige, what is
71?
it?
Guys, I will give you a few questions now. Wait a minute. On the screen, I will give you a few questions. Four over 9 and 3 over 14. 4 over 9 and 3 over 14. Yalla, do it, girls. Come on, do this. 4 over 9 and 3 over 14.
Miss,
Miss,
can
can
I
I
do
try?
it?
Miss,
Take a white paper and do it. Two times. Haifa. Haifa.
Yes.
How do you do this? 4 and 14. When do they come in the timetable? With 2. 2 times what is 4?
2 times.
2 times 2
times
is
2.
4. And how about 14? Come on, open your fingers. 2, 4. You know, I will show you how to do this. Open your finger. 2, 4, 6, like that. When do you get 14?
Mm.
2 times what is 14?
2 times 7.
Very good. Now you have 3 and 9. 3 times what is 3? 3 times 1 is 3. How about 9? 3 times 3 is 9. Okay?
Okay.
So what is remainder? In the numerator, you 2 times 1. In the denominator, you 3 times 7. Your answer is 2 over 21. Okay, girls? Did you understand, girls, this one?
yeah.
Yeah.
Miss, do we need to simplify 2 over 21?
No, you cannot. 3 over 4 times 2 over 5. Come on, Juri, Siraj.
Yes.
What are the two numbers that come in the same timetable?
4 and 2.
Okay, how do I do it? 2 times?
2 times 1
Yes, and 2 times?
and 2 times 2.
What is your answer? Multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. Come on.
So is it
3 times 1, what does you get?
3 times 1 is 1 and 2 times
1 minute. 3 times 1 is 1?
yes.
Jury, any number to 1 is the number same. 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Jury got confused. Yes, Jury?
I'm so confused in multiplications.
3 over?
3 over
2 times 5. Come on, you Jury.
25.
2 times 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 times 5.
10.
Guys, look at 1 minute. Look at my fingers. I will stop sharing and look at my fingers. Look at my fingers. Judy. 2 times 5. 1, open 5 fingers. 1, 2. Why I'm counting 2? Because it is 2 times. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's my answer? 10. Judy,
Yes.
do you understand?
Yes.
If I say 3 times 4, you will open 4 fingers. 3 times means 1 finger will have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My answer is 12. Okay?
Okay.
Shall I close the cam now?
Yeah.
Any questions, guys?
No.
You have 3 over 20 times 5 over 6. 3 over 20.
Can you give me a question to do it?
Yes, Amal, take this. Yalla, 3 and 6, Amal.
3 and 6 come in 3's timetable.
Very good.
3
How do I do?
times 1 and 3 times 2.
How about 5 and 20?
5 and 20 and 5. 5 times 1 and 5 times 4.
Excellent. What is, you will multiply the numerators, 1 times 1 and
1
the,
times 1 equals 1.
okay, and what is 4 times
4
2?
times 2 equal 8.
Did you get it, Amal? Excellent, Amal. Excellent. Did you understand?
Yes, it's
So many
super
stars.
easy.
So many stars for you. Khalas, guys. That's it for today's class. As a bonus,